In this video, we are going to learn about HCF is equal to highest common factor, or GCD, greatest common divisor. We know very well that factor is nothing but a divisor. So common factor is equal to common divisor. Highest common factor and greatest common divisor are not different. They are same only. Okay. We know what is a factor, and then we know the highest common factor is nothing but largest common factor. Before learning about highest common factor, let us know what is common factor. In the previous video, we know what is a common multiple. Okay, here we are going to learn about common factor of given numbers. What is a common factor or common divisor? Common divisor or common factor is a number that divides the given two or more numbers without any remainder. Okay, so common factor is a number which divides given two or more numbers without any remainder. Okay. Now let us see the definition of HCF or highest common factor. The largest number of the common factors of two or more given numbers is called highest common factor of the given numbers. So it's not difficult. See, if you are given two or more numbers, you have to find the factors of the given two numbers individually. Then you have to find the common factors of them. Then the largest number among them is largest common factor or highest common factor. You can easily understand if you are dealing with an example. Methods of finding HCF. There are many methods. Let us see the first one, factorization method or common factor method. Factorization. The process of expressing the given number or given numbers as product of their factors is called factorization. You are given 18 means 18 should be expressed in terms of its factors and 24 should be expressed in terms of its factors. That process is called factorization method. In that method, let us see how to find the factors of two numbers or more numbers. Okay. So find the factors of 18 and 24. Also find their highest common factor. By factorization method, we have to find the factors of 18 and 24 individually. See, 18 can be written as 1 into 18 or 2 into 9 or 3 into 6, 4 into nothing, 5 into nothing, 6 into 3. Again 6 appears. So repetition occurs. Stop here itself. So what are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now we have factorized 18. Similarly, now factorize 24. It can be written as 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. Okay. 5 into anything? No. 6 into 4. No, 6 appears again. So repetition occurs. Stop there itself. So factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now factors of 18 are written. Factors of 24 are written. Common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Highest common factor is 6. So HCF is 6. So this is the method of factorization by which we are finding out HCF of given two numbers. Find the HCF of 24 and 32. Both are even numbers. Let us factorize first. Okay. 24 is equal to 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6 or 6 into 4. Well, 6 into 4 repetition occurs, so stop there itself. Factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 14. Okay. Now find the factors of 32. 1 into 32, 2 into 16, 3 into nothing, 4 into 8, 5 into nothing, 6 into nothing, 7 into nothing, 8 into 4. Repetition occurs. Okay, so stop here itself. So factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now we have the factors of 24 and 32. See, 1 is common, 2 is common factor, 4 is common factor, 8 is common factor. Like common multiples, common factors should be written only once. So common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. What is the highest common factor? Or what is the largest value of common factors? 8. So 8 is the HCF. Okay. Now the method of factorization is over. Let us see prime factorization method. It is similar to factorization method. The only difference is we have to express the given two numbers in terms of product of its prime factors. Okay. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. How did we get? Let us see. Divide 18 by prime number 2 because 18 is an even number. Start with 2. You can divide 18 by 3 also. 3 is also a prime number. But you should divide with a prime number. That is very important because we are dealing with the prime factorization method. Okay. The divisors are called factors. Okay. If we are dividing by prime numbers, those divisors are called prime divisors or prime factors. Okay. So, we are choosing 2 here. In 2 table, we get 18 9 times. So, 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 3 is a multiple of, 9 is a multiple of 3. 9 by 3 is equal to 3. 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Stop here. So, 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. While dividing a single number, you have that 2 with prime numbers, you have to divide till you get 1 in the quotient place. Okay. So 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Similarly, we find prime factors of 12. 24 is an even number, so divide by 2. 2 into 12 gives you 24. 12 is even number, so 2 into 6 gives you 12. 6 is an even number, so choose 2 as the divisor. 2 into 3 gives you 6. And 3 by 3 is equal to 1. We have got 1 here as the quotient, so stop here. So 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here all the numbers are, we have only 2 numbers, 2 and 3. They are prime numbers. Okay. So now we have expressed 18 and 24 in terms of product of their prime factors. So common prime factors is equal to 2 and 3. See, 2 and 3. In LCM, we will multiply all the numbers, but in HCF, we will choose only the common factors. See, common prime factors are 2 and 3. So HCF is equal to product of the common prime factors. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So highest common factor can be written as product of its common prime factors. Okay. Find the HCF of 24 and 32. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. We saw already. 32 is equal to 32 by 2, 16. 16 by 2, 8. 8 is even number. So 8 by 2, 4. 4 by 2, 2. 2 by 2, 1. So 32 is expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So common prime factors. One time 2 is common. The second time 2 is common. 2 is common 3 times. Okay. You should not consider this 3 and these two numbers. You have to consider only common prime factors. So 2, 2 and 2 are the common prime factors. So HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8. We have another example. Find the HCF of 3 numbers by prime factorization method. It is already given in the question itself to use prime factorization method. So express 32 in terms of prime numbers. We know how to do this. Express 80 in terms of prime numbers. Express 96 in terms of prime numbers. Okay. See, 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 80 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 96 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So what are the common prime factors? 2 is common factor of 32, 80 and 96. How many times? 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. If you write the numbers and operators with a reasonable space, it will make your work easier. Okay. So common prime factors are 2, 2, 2, 2. 4 times 2. So HCF is equal to product of all these 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 6. Okay. So prime factorization method is over. Prime factorization method is also known as factor tree method or ladder method. Why do we call it as factor tree method? This step can be done by this way also. 32 by 2 gives you 16. 16 is an even number, so while dividing by 2 you get 8. 16 is equal to 2 into 8. So 2 is the divisor. So now divide 8 by 2 because 8 is an even number. So 8 by 2 is equal to 4. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Till you get 1, you have to do the process of finding the prime factors. Factors are nothing but divisors. Only these numbers are divisors or factors. So 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So this method is called factor tree method. Another method is division method. Here we are going to divide the largest number by smallest number till you find a divisor which divides without any remainder. Okay. Let us see the example. Find the highest common factor of 18 and 24 by division method. Solution. Here the largest number is 24. So divide 24 by 18. 24 divided by 18. 18 1 is 18. On subtracting you get 6 as the answer. Okay. Now look at the divisors. 18 and 6 are the divisors. In these two divisors, 18 is the biggest, 6 is the smallest. Now divide 18 by 6. 18 by 6. 6 3s are 18. On subtracting you get 0. So 6 is the last divisor which divides without any remainder or which divides with the remainder 0. So 6 is the highest common factor. The last divisor or factor is 6. So HCF is 6. It's very easy, no? Let us see another example. Find the HCF of 24 and 32 by division method. The biggest number is 32. So divide 32 by 24. 32 by 24. 24 into 1 gives you 24. On subtraction you get 8. Now 24 is bigger number, bigger divisor. 8 is the smaller divisor. Divide 24 by 8. 24 by 8. 8 3s are 24 and you get remainder 0. Now here the last divisor or factor is 8, which gives you remainder 0. So HCF is nothing but 8. Okay. In this video, we have seen highest common factor definition, methods of finding HCF. Number 1, factorization method, then prime factorization method and division method.